These figurines are remarkably of superior workmanship in conception and execution. Among the 4 pillars, the most notable pillars are Narasimha pillar and Mohini pillar. You can easily spot Narasimha pillar. This is the pillar which is on your left when you reach the center through eastern entrance. This pillar is smeared with vermilion on the various Hindu gods and goddesses carved in the pillar. It is said that the pillar could be turned on its axis. But over the last couple of centuries, because of wear and tear, the stone structure that holds the roof has come down, making the pillar stuck in the ground, and it is no longer possible to rotate it. You can see here that these pillars have been carved so delicately that it has many statues and stories of popular Hindu epics. You can see that the carvings form the first layer of the pillar. In many places, the inner and outer layers are carved so delicately you can pass a piece of string or pass your little finger through the carvings and bring it to the other side. This is all done in just one single stone. Such was the accuracy and precision of the artisans of that period. Mohini pillar on the southwest side has a 16-pointed star plan. It is decorated with a narrow band of filigree work, a creeper scrolls, and figures inset in convulsions. It has 8 vertical bands. On each of the 8 sides, you will see the Hindu gods representing the 8 directions. The eastern side of the pillar has a large statue of the Lord Vishnu in the enchanting form of Mohini. Please move to the center of the dome. Let us explore the ceiling of the hall or mantapa. Hold on for more breathtaking stone carvings and intricate artwork. The 4 central pillars support a large domed ceiling of about 3 meters or around 10 feet in diameter and around 1.83 meters or around 6 feet deep. This is one of the most elaborately decorated ceilings in all of India's heritage monuments. It is elegantly carved with frieze of varied sculptures, some being mythological. Narasimha sculpture, carved in single stone, protrudes from the center of the dome structure. It is a remarkable piece of artistic workmanship, famous for the richness of ornamentation and elaboration of details. Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara are shown on a lotus bud. On each of the 4 pillars, you can see figurines attached. Please walk around and have a look at the other ceilings also. The other ceilings are also carved, but not as delicate, ornate as the central dome. Lotus structure is very common. You will find depictions from ancient Hindu mythology on some of the ceilings.